Hello, today I will show you how to pair your remote. Generally, we have already paired your remote for the skateboards before shipping, but sometimes your remote may lose connection to the skateboard. So I will show you how to do it in this video. You may need a tool like a pencil. The first step is turn on your skateboard and press this button until the first red light starts to flash. Okay, and turn on your remote. You can see there is only one green light, and use this pencil to press this reset tool. You need only to press it one time, not all the time. You can see there are 4 lights on, and it's okay. Let me try it. So now it's okay.